business economist Sanchita Mukherjee and Rajat Gulati, the co-founder of Pluto's One, for a detailed discussion really on whether there is really the need for more transparency or
अगर ये गंभीर नहीं होता तो हास्यास्पद होता कि शायद हर मेंबरान की हर सीट पे एक एनक्लोजर बनना चाहिए कांच का, जिसके अंदर लॉक एंड की हो, तो जब मेंबर अंदर बैठे तो उसको खोल के बैठे। नहीं तो आजकल तो सीट भी खतरनाक हो गई है बैठने की। हाँ, निश्चित रूप से इसकी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। अगर कोई सुरक्षा की गफलत है तो उसको देखना चाहिए, लेकिन ये गंभीर भी है, हास्यास्पद भी है कि इसमें राजनीति खेली जाए किसी रूप में।
यानी सर आप डिसोन कर रहे हैं, वो आपका कुछ लेना देना नहीं उन पैसों से?
अभी तक मैंने क्या बोला?
You can start.
I am ready. I am quite astonished to even hear about it about 5 minutes ago. I never heard of it. I reached the inside of the house yesterday at 12:57 p.m. In the afternoon. The house rose at 1 p.m., 3 or 4 minutes after I entered the house. From 1 to 1:30, I sat with Mr. Ayodhya Prasad in the canteen in Sangam and had lunch. At 1:30, I left Parliament. So my total stay in the house yesterday was 3 minutes and my stay in the canteen was 30 minutes. I find it bizarre that even on such issues, politics is raised. Of course, there must be an inquiry as to how people can come and put anything anywhere in any seat. It means that each of us must have a seat where the seat itself can be locked and the key can be carried home by the Member of Parliament, because everybody can then do things on the seat and make allegations about the seat. This is, if it was not tragic and serious, it would be comic. I think everybody should cooperate in getting to the bottom of this. And if there is a failing in the security agencies, that must also be completely exposed.
All right, Congress's Abhishek Manu Singhvi there reacting to the entire controversy after a showdown took place in the Rajya Sabha over a bundle of notes that were found on his seat by the authorities there. And there was a big war of words that happened between JP Nadda and the Congress there. Nadda saying that a probe should be held against the Congress and slammed, while the Congress slammed the BJP over these charges. And Aditi joins us on the phone line to get us more on this. Aditi, Abhishek Manu Singhvi has now reacted. How is the Congress going to take this forward now?
Absolutely. Now, the Congress party is taking it head on. A clear, concise clarification has come from Abhishek Manu Singhvi. He is saying that he is not aware of the matter. Meanwhile, this charge has been leveled by the BJP. They say that the integrity of the House has been violated after a bundle of notes were found in Rajya Sabha. The more or less story right now is that a probe will be conducted against the Congress party, and what will happen remains to be seen. But the political showdown is escalating day by day, with more protests being witnessed. Now the Congress party has come out and said that the BJP is trying to put up a front where that they are being subjected to harsh allegations, and that's why they are being witnessing this type of charge against them. But the Kharge also, we witnessed how he stood up and said that there should not be a probe that should label them as accused, and a fair probe should be conducted in the matter, and also that it is not right to name an MP when he is not present inside the House. This is what the Congress party is claiming. Meanwhile, the BJP claims that it is the integrity of the House that has been violated. Notes were found on Cong MP's bench, and that's why a matter should be investigated. It should be a proper and fair investigation. However, Kharge rose up and said that we should not be debating on this issue and a probe should be conducted immediately, while the BJP tries to frame the Congress party of shielding Abhishek Manu Singhvi and others. It is the Congress party which is saying that we support the probe in the matter, and a decision should be taken only after once there is proof that there was something of this sort happening inside the House.
All right, a dramatic development there in the Rajya Sabha after a wad of currency notes was found on the seat of Abhishek Manu Singhvi.